Hello, this is Rawatron Devil 2.0 2024 latest version with extra side fenders, wider flares, custom LED lighting, 17-inch full-size motorcycle style e-bike. This can be insured as a light-speed motorcycle with class 5 or 7 license. Had programmable controller, comes in 72 volt 32 amp lead acid battery or 88 volt 40 amp lithium battery. Gorgeous looking bike. Updated custom tail light with signals. Heart mode, this is the USB charging function. You can program to speed 1, 2, 3. Up to 100 kilometers can be done. Lights, front brake, throttle, 2 keys, 2 fobs, alarm, remote start, anti-theft, signals, hazard, reverse assist, honk. The air switch, the battery kill switch is right under this flap right here. It's hidden. So, and the charging port is right there.